It's sometime.
Hi guys! Can you guess the title of my next video? Hurry up! Write your guess in the comment section below.
What is constipation? After much of the digestion and absorption of nutrients, the unwanted food or stool, which is in a liquid state, flows to the large intestine or colon. Here, by means of a series of muscular contractions and relaxations, the stool is pushed or moved through the colon. As the stool moves, water is absorbed from the stool, making it more solid. Finally, the stool enters the rectum. When the rectum is full and stretched, the nerves of the rectum send signals to the brain. At this point, we decide whether to expel the stool or retain it. Going to the toilet and expelling the waste is a part of our daily routine. However, sometimes due to slow muscle contractions, the stool passes slower than usual through the colon. As a result, excess water is absorbed, making the stool very hard. Such a condition in which an individual has hard stool that is difficult to expel is called constipation. Why does water go stale overnight?
'Cause you left it alone overnight.
Nah. In water purification plants, chlorine is added to water. Chlorine kills microorganisms in water, thus keeping it clean and safe to drink. This chlorine gives our drinking water a slightly different taste. However, if we keep the water open for a long time or overnight, the chlorine will dissipate into air. As a result, the taste of water alters. Also, water is a universal solvent. It can dissolve almost anything. Hence, if we keep water open for quite a long time, the atmospheric carbon dioxide gets dissolved in it. This results in the formation of mild carbonic acid.
What? Acid is formed in water?
Indeed. However, it is not harmful, for the presence of carbonic acid slightly lowers the pH of water, making it slightly acidic and thus unpleasant to taste. Why do strawberries have seeds on the outside?
'Cause seeds feel hot inside.
No. First of all, a fruit is formed from a flower. A flower consists of ovary, ovule, petals, sepals, stamens, etc. Most of these parts are attached to a receptacle. Now, usually after fertilization, the ovule forms a seed and the ovary swells to form a fruit, whereas the remaining parts of the flower fall off. Now, a strawberry flower has multiple ovaries. When fertilization occurs, all the ovaries form fruits, but they don't swell. Instead, the receptacle of the strawberry flower swells to form the red edible part of the strawberry, and the tiny fruits get embedded on the surface of the enlarged receptacle, while the remaining parts fall off. Thus, the seeds on the outside of the strawberry are actually tiny fruits, each of which contains a seed. Why is the ocean blue?
'Cause ocean water reflects blue color of the sky.
You are right, but not completely. The main reason for oceans to be blue is the way water molecules absorb and scatter the colors of sunlight. Sunlight has 7 visible colors. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Yeah, I saw them in a rainbow.
Now, when sunlight falls on the ocean, it passes deep into the water. Here, red, orange, yellow, and green colors of sunlight are absorbed more strongly by water molecules, while blue, indigo, and violet colors are not absorbed much. Instead, they are scattered, making the ocean appear blue to us. However, as the blue shades penetrate deeper into the ocean, eventually they also get absorbed. Hence, at greater depths, the ocean is completely dark. Topic: density. Why do firemen crawl in smoke-filled rooms? Hey, remember, the upper part of the room will be filled with smoke, so crawl while you are going inside.
Ew, I won't. My legs will become dirty.
Why don't you listen? Look, you're not able to breathe properly as you have inhaled a lot of smoke. This happened because you did not care about the density of air.
Well, I know all about cavity, but what's this new thing called density?
Don't worry, I will explain. Density is the measure of mass present per unit volume. Lesser the density, lighter will be the object, and greater the density, heavier will be the object. So in this case, what is lighter, the air or the smoke?
Wait, let me think. I guess the answer is smoke?
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Smoke is lighter than air. As it is lighter, it rises up in the room and occupies the space at the top. Hey, where are you going? It is not over yet. The air being heavier than smoke tends to remain below. Hence, if we crawl, we will get sufficient oxygen to breathe and we can safely come out of the room without being suffocated.